Mindbenders! Why use SQL Server when there are free alternatives like MySQL and PostgreSQL? SQL Server, if used with simple queries like most database applications doesn't stand out against other databases. In fact, I dare to say that most application builders don't use relational databases to their full extent. However, when SQL Server is used with its complementary toolsets, SSMS, SSIS, SSRS, SSAS, and web forms properly, and having its databases built properly, this system shows that it has a clear and strong advantage. SSIS allows for data pull programs to be rapidly built out, easily configured, and information pulled from it, if you know how to use it. SSRS allows for rapidly building secure reports, if you know how to use it, and SSAS allows for analyzing massive amounts of information instantaneously, and web forms, they allow you for pulling verified and validated user inputs from users, and you could build out these forms rapidly. Oftentimes, I hear people in departments attacking SQL Server and the business intelligence tools associated with it because of its costs and its development times. But then I take a closer look at the senior developers and realize that they have either weak foundations, are using the tools incorrectly, or have incomplete skill sets. Thus, since work is a pipeline, they actually cause upstream delays and increased workloads because they try to solve these problems in a roundabout way when there are simpler approaches to solving it. So firstly, as it stands today, with regards to costs of SQL Server, you'll only be paying for each SQL Server install, regardless of its size. That means a single server install, you can have as many databases as you want without additional costs. A free license for SSIS for simple rapidly building out ETL, SSRS for fast reports, and SSAS also comes free with your SQL Server purchase. So that's all inclusive. So all these speculations regarding costs are almost non-existent. SQL Server is a mature system that is used by many people and many large companies. Consequently, there is a large active online community that uses it. So if you run into issues while using it, chances are that you will be able to find help when you get stuck on an issue online. Furthermore, SQL Server is very robust, and oftentimes organizations and teams that use it are not aware of its full capabilities and consequently introduce inefficiencies, and time delays that could have been easily avoided by knowing the full extent of how the product works and the new features that may have been introduced. This means you have a lot of room to impress by learning your material correctly. SQL Server's strength is not in the database alone, but also in its supporting toolsets, which are also free to use. Together, these tools will allow you to rapidly build out applications and forms that can replace small and large departments, reduce issue occurrence, increase data quality, and increase speed of delivery. Furthermore, with SQL Server Job Agent, you can automate your daily tasks and communicate and query other databases automatically in order to coordinate communications between systems and have it notify you if something goes wrong. When used properly by people that know the full extent of the system's capabilities, there are huge gains in productivity and performance by just knowing how to use the associated toolsets. So that is why SQL Server, in my opinion, is superior to many other competitors, especially in an enterprise environment.